Custom versions of ChatGPT have been released last week. I have been able to set one up pretty easily as a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. So there's your standard ChatGPT, where you will ask questions and so forth, and AI will be working for you. Because I have ChatGPT Plus, I can use Dale, I think it's DALL-E 3, and do data analysis. At the moment, the one that I wanted to focus on was, just go back to ChatGPT 4, is this one, is building education. So I have been able to create a ChatGPT, a sole focus on building. And I've been putting in a lot of Australian standards and access to the National Construction Code. So I'm going to ask, what the GPT is this? I'm a building education, customized GPT designed to provide expert knowledge and educational content on construction practices, standards, and regulations. My focus is on assisting DIY enthusiasts, startup builders, and all types of contractors with insights on a wide range of construction-related topics, building standards, and so forth. I can go in there and I can edit that. So, for example, I want to maybe focus on an Australian. Can you focus this GPT on Australian building standards? Anything else relating to building and carpentry? Now, I've spent a little bit of time putting some stuff in there at the moment. I've put in some Australian standards and some accesses, just giving it a more specific GPT build, more access or closer access to National Construction Code, Safe Work New South Wales, business.gov.au, all of those accesses that we usually use for building and carpentry. It's just working on it at the moment. Australian standards, yep. So it's really just focusing on the Australian. Now you can see the preview, Australian Building and Carpentry Guide. So if someone has ChatGPT Plus, they can access that. I'll put that to public. And now you can look at that and check it. I'll go back and I'll just open it up. Ask a couple of questions. What is this GPT focused on? It's thinking. Absolutely brilliant. That is great. Thank you.